Hey y'all, um, I just wanted to give you a quick follow-up video. I did end up pulling this other valve cover off tonight, and just as I suspected, it looks even cleaner on this side. If you want to go back and look at my first video, the other side kind of has like a brownish color to it. This side didn't even have that. I mean, it looks about just like the metal does when it's new, basically. Um, you can see in the tubes there, they're still clean down there. I mean, the valve cover wasn't leaking, but I'm replacing the other one anyway. On the other side, the cam lobes had a few spots on them where it looked like some oxidation was starting. Maybe some moisture got in there at one time, but this side didn't even have that. Really impressed with the Restore Protect oil at this point, but yeah, here's the inside of this cover. Not any sludge or anywhere. So I almost thought there was a little bit of sludge going on right here, but it turned out to be just some silicone they used to glue this plate on. So somebody must have smudged that on a Monday or something. I don't know. The You have to get a little creative to get these off, but not too bad. I mean, it's not going to be as easy as like a 80s model C10 truck or anything, so just be prepared to kind of reach in some tight spaces. So on this side, the driver's side, let me see, what is it here? Okay, this guy here, this little wiring harness, you can see on the top, you can see one of them. The other one is kind of hidden. Where's the other one? Yeah, the other one's right there. You have to pop that off, and they actually just sit. Let me see what side this is. Yeah, they actually just sit on those little posts right there. So you just pull it back. I think I might have used a screwdriver to get flathead to get underneath there and pop it off and pull that back. And I also had to, let me see if I can point to that bolt. Yeah, it's right there. So right there, I had to take that bolt out and push this plate back. It's got this big foam piece in it. There's also two bolts, I think, that go on the top of this that you have to remove to get that intake off. So, and if you've never done this before, you're going to have a big piece of felt or cloth. I don't know what the heck that is, but it's on the back of the intake that connects to this. I ripped that thing off and threw it away, I think, the first time I ever removed the intake. But this is what's underneath, and it's just pushing too hard against the valve cover right there. It kind of holds it when you try to remove it. So yeah, just take that bolt out back there, push that back, and it'll work its way out after that. No problem. And then this other side also has the wiring harness for the coils that you have to pop out. Now these ones have little push clips in there, and there's three of them. I actually did use a trim remover tool to pop those out. There's 3 of them. And also on this one, it has a bolt. Yeah, way back there, you see this yellow tag? Yeah, that's a fuel line. And so it is like a braided fuel line under there, so it's got a little bit of flexibility to it, but at any rate, I couldn't get to that one with the same tool I was using for everything else. So basically I was just using the 3/8 ratchet here to break these loose. They're all 10 millimeters. And then I would come back and zip them out with the cordless ratchet there. But that very back one next to the fuel line, I ended up just using the 1/4 inch ratchet for that. I think it was like no extension or anything, and you can get on it enough to break it free and then get your fingers on it and just you know, get it up the rest of the way by hand. None of these actually came all the way out. They do. I think there was 2 out of this whole job total that actually popped all the way out. But all you got to do is get them loosened up as far as they'll go to the end of their travel there or whatever. And that one will come off too. So I hope that helps you out, guys. If you've been thinking about using some Restore and Protect, I say go for it. This right here, I showed you on the other video, guys. It's a 15-year-old car with over 157,000 miles on it. Happy wrenching.